Okay. मुझे भाई कौन सा क्या प्लान है शाज बराबर किश्तवाड़
पहाड़ के पीछे।
हाँ
आज मुझे गर्लफ्रेंड से मिलने जाना है, वो बड़ी सालों से मेरा इंतजार कर रही है।
अच्छा
इसलिए मैं मुस्लिम खा रहा हूँ, चाय पी रहा हूँ।
So this is the morning breakfast. So this is third morning. Now we are moving towards Simchong village. That's in Kishtwar. So we are walking towards the peak. So we are about to reach at the lake, which will be most probably Simchang Lake, the upper Simchang, and we are crossing this river. So विवेक जी क्या लग रहा है, कैसा व्यू है? बहुत अच्छा है। So we are walking slowly. So this looks like a gate. The rest of the group is climbing, walking towards the Kishtwar. Wow. So we are moving slowly. This is a day third Hakshola track and हम आगे यहाँ किश्तवाड़ की तरफ अब हम चल रहे हैं जो फर्स्ट विलेज है उसकी तरफ। Look at the beauty. Okay. We are crossing slowly, going down towards Kishtwar Valley. ओके ज़ंस्कार से लेके यहाँ तक अब हमें कोई टेंट मिला है या कोई लोग मिले हैं। कैंसी दूर दूर तक कोई बस्ती का नामो निशान नहीं था। बट यस वी आर इन किश्तवाड़ वैली नाउ, अपर किश्तवाड़। सो मुसा कैसा लग रहा है? सलाम वालेकुम।
मजानी लाइफ। आज हम बकरवाल को भी देख रहे हैं, बड़ा आनंद आ रहा है। 5 दिन के बाद मैं कुछ देख रहा हूँ बकरवाल। 5 दिन से तो कोई ना बंदा था ना बंदे की जात थी। अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, छोटा बच्चा भी आ रहा है, उसके साथ खेलेंगे थोड़ा बहुत। एकदम मजा नहीं लाइक।
After a brief stay for rest, now we are moving towards Simchang village, which they say is around 6 kilometers from this place. Walking towards the village. at the beauty. Look at the clouds.
इनको घेरा था 5 गाँव में
The pure Himalayan cannabis.
मैं अपने हाथ से ऐसा तो
हमें 3 दिन के बाद जो है पेड़ नज़र आए हैं. After 3 days we find these trees. So you can see we are going down slowly. We're going down from this. Munila.
Huh?
Munila.
Should I go?
Zanskar back route. So Vivek, how was the track? अभी तक कैसा रहा?
It was excellent, much better than I thought. There were a lot of surprises, especially the flowers. I didn't know this would be such a lovely weekend just for the beauty around. I mean, the pass was of course there, the elevation was there, but what took me by surprise was the beauty of the trip. So overall, excellent.
Thank you. So you can see यहाँ पे 2 रिवर्स मिलते हैं. एक मुनीला करके एक ट्रैक है संस्कार से, दूसरा जो है ओमासिला, और यहाँ से आपका जो दूसरा रिवर है हक्शु, जहाँ से आए हम, और ये सारा जो रिवर पानी एक साथ जाता है किश्तवाड़. चले नवाब.
Basically, the river which you are seeing is basically Bujwas Nala. Well, if you go to the top of the valley, on our left we have the stream that's coming down, that is the Zanskari Nala. That's basically coming from the Omasila. And if you go towards your right, if you pan towards the right side, the top Nala which is coming from there is Haptal Nala. Both of them are joining and forming the Bujwas Nala. Bujwas Nala is further joined by the Hakshu Nala. So Hakshu Nala originates from the Hakshu glacier. The Bujwas Nala will further drain into Kishtwar. It will be joined by numerous other nalas on the way. For example, just at Sumcham, Chairing Nala will again join the Bujwas Nala, and this will further drain into Glavgad and further into what you call
Chenab Valley.
Yeah, Chenab. It's a beautiful vantage point. And the clouds have added to the beauty. They're like icing on the cake, basically.
Thank you. So this is the nomadic village, and I think we'll be soon reaching the first village after crossing the Zanskar to the Kishtwar region. You can see small houses are there. So exploring the, it's raining as well. Okay. Okay. जो आप पेड़ देख रहे हैं वहीं पे सुमचाम गांव है, जो पहला गांव है जब आप क्रॉसिंग करोगे फ्रॉम ज़ंस्कार टू किश्तवाड़, ट्रांस हिमालयन ट्रैक जिनको बोलते हैं. So what's this? So क्योंकि यहाँ पे बंद किया है बिकॉज ऑफ जो भेड़ वगैरह गाय वगैरह होती है वो यहाँ क्रॉस ना कर पाए. Now you can see the complete landscape change. यहाँ आपको सब ग्रीन मिलेगा. Now we are officially entering in Kishtawar range. So ये है पहला गांव जो सिमसोंग डोक्सा के नाम से जाना जाता है. हक्शोला क्रॉसिंग के बाद ज़ंस्कार से जो स्टार्ट होता है हक्शु विलेज, और ये इसका जो है ये पहला गांव आता है. और इस गांव की एंट्री यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है. ये तो हम गांव के अंदर जा रहे हैं. ट्रेडिशनल बुद्धिस्ट जो है वेलकम जो एंट्री लगी है. तो चले
So we are currently at Sumsham. So this is the village which basically is on the way. Basically, you can see the last village from Gulabgarh side. If you start from Gulabgarh, this is the last village. So we start from Akshu village on 26th. Yeah, 26th. It is 29th. So we encountered this village from the Kishtawar side. That's known as Sumsham. So another another 6 kilometers, six and a half kilometers, we will be at Michil. Michil is famous for the mandir, Michil Mata Mandir. Currently there is this ongoing Michil Mata Yatra that's also ongoing, so we might be visiting the mandir as well. So from here onwards, our the first preference is going to Michil. But if we have some time at our hand, we might be just pushing to Chisoti as well. That's the road.
Great, thank you. Brightness can't. So is the board for the village. This is the view of the Shimshong village. This is the bridge in deep into West Himalaya or Trans-Himalayan tracks. Okay, it's a traditional puja here, site here. It's the harvesting season, so you can see. So this is a blue sapphire mining prohibited area by order, and you'll see the direction. This is the way for the mining towards blue sapphire. Look at the pace of the water. Oh, it's a very tricky bridge, you can see. So we are walking towards Mitchell Village. Mitchell Village is known for temple and pilgrimage for the Hindus. So finally we reached Mitchell Village. It's in Kishtwar. So I hope we need some views regarding the whole trek from Dr. Vivek. Please, sir. Sir, how was trek?
It was excellent, and of course I look tired, but all in good spirits. This is the first sign of civilization, and this is where we'll be staying after days in tents, in camping. So it's a big change.
Great. Vivek. So it seems the beautiful room and the beautiful night.